Damn it, Peter! Your plane set my lawn on fire!
Yeah, that ought to cover it. Gotta get Loretta and Cleveland back together. And I know just how to do it. To the Hinden, Peter!
Oh my God!
Joe, I am so sorry.
How can you afford these things?
That should all be mine! I deserve it! I want it all! It should be mine! Mine! Mine!
A no-rules funny car race from here to Boston. Last one to Fenway gets snipped. Go!
Wonder Woman, flying your invisible plane, I see.
Boy, this is awkward. I'm actually in the lavatory of the invisible plane.
Oh, you mean right now you're...
Yeah.
So I couldn't help but notice you didn't wash your hands in the invisible sink.